Windows 8, 8.1 and 10 OEM licenses are embedded in the computer's UEFI BIOS. So with Windows 10 installation media, when you select Install Now, the installation media checks the UEFI BIOS and automatically inputs the Windows 10 product key. So this means that you will automatically install your OEM license. Now, in some cases, you may have also purchased a retail license or have an education license for your Windows device. And if you go ahead and clean install Windows 10, you, for instance, will reinstall Windows 10 Home. So in this case, if I right click the Start button and go to Settings and then Update and Security and then Activation, I'll see that it's got Windows 10 Home. Now, this system actually has a Windows 10 Pro license. And let's assume for a moment that we've forgot what our 25-digit Pro product key is. What we can actually do is just copy and paste the 25-digit generic product key. And we can use this to change the edition to Windows 10 Pro. Now, when we use the generic product keys, they don't activate Windows 10. Basically, if your device has had Windows 10 Pro installed and activated earlier on, then it will be registered with a Microsoft Product Activation Server. And when Windows 10 Pro reconnects to this Microsoft Product Activation Server, it will recognize your device and it will tell you that it is activated. So if you never had Windows 10 Pro in the first place, this wouldn't work for you. Okay, but this only lets you go from, say, Windows 10 Home to Windows 10 Pro. What happens if you want to go the other way about? I don't know why you would, but assume that you did, or you don't want to go through this additional step. Well, what you can do is go to your Windows 10 bootable USB, open up the sources folder and right click and create a new text file called PID.txt. Copy and paste the following line of code into the PID.txt file, and during Windows 10 installation, the Windows 10 installation media will automatically input the 25-digit product key from your PID.txt file in preference to your OEM system locked pre-installation key, which means in this case Windows 10 Pro was directly clean installed instead of Windows 10 Home.